Hello guys, in this video I am showing you a very exciting project called as Mini-Gemini. I don't think so it has anything to do with Google's Gemini, but rather this project, the Mini-Gemini, enables you to improve vision language models by combining high and low resolution visual encoders with LLMs from 2 billion to 34 billion. You can also train and fine tune on specialized data sets to enhance image understanding and generation. You can also download pre-trained weights and access detailed training scripts from its GitHub repo, and I will also show you a bit of hands-on as how to do it. Now, they have also given a good architectural pipeline diagram of exactly how this framework works. So if you look at this diagram, then it is a bit self-explanatory if you go from left to right. Dual visual encoders are being provisioned to give low resolution visual embedding and high resolution candidates. Also, you can see there is a patch info mining which is proposed to conduct patch level mining between high resolution regions and low resolution visual queries. Also, LLM is being utilized to marry text with images for both comprehension and generation at the same time. So, all in all, in very simple words, it is a simple and effective framework enhancing multi-modality vision language models or VLMs. Despite its advancement in VLMs, facilitating basic visual dialogue and reasoning, a performance gap persists compared to advanced models like GPT-4 and Gemini. And that is where they are trying to narrow the gap by mining the potential of VLMs for better performance and any-to-any workflow from these aspects, which means that high resolution visual tokens, high quality data, and VLM guided generation. Also, to increase visual tokens, they have proposed to utilize an additional visual encoder for high resolution refinement without increasing the visual token count. They also have provisioned a Hugging Face demo. So if you go to this website, and I'll drop the link in video description, you can play with it. For example, you can use their own provided images. Let me try this one. That what is unusual about this image? So let me select it. If I go up, you see that this is the input image, and then do I need to press send? Yep, I need to press send, and then you can see it is talking, analyzing this image, and processing is happening on the left. So let's wait for it to come back. The model has returned it. So you can see that for now it is using MGM 34 billion HD here, and I think it is running on 0. So there you go. So it has clearly given us what is wrong with that. A man is ironing clothes while standing on the back of moving taxi cab, and this is not a typical scenario, which is correct. Let me try to upload one of my own images from my local system, and then we will see if it is able to recognize that. I'm just going to select one of the Australian outback ones. So this is what I have put it in, and then I can enter the text. I'll say what is this location, then click on send. Let's see if it is able to recognize this location. It has errored out, as you can see. I have tried it a few times. I'm not sure if it is the Hugging Face zero error because it's a free spot instances. Maybe there is no bandwidth available. Maybe let me try to reload this web page, and I'll try it out with another image. Let's try out with my local image. Maybe I'll give it another image. Wait, that is the issue. Let me give it a simple image. And then this is the input image with a bear. And then let me say which animal is shown in image. Let's send it and let's see what it does this time. It's simple enough. This time it has worked fine. It has correctly identified this is the image of a bear. Let's try out one more example, and then we will check out something else. So I'm just going to give it another image and ask it what is happening in the image. Let's send it. Let's see what it does. While this works, let me quickly give you an overview of its GitHub repo. So this is the official repo for this mini Gemini, and these are the models available from MGM 2 billion to MGM 7 billion, 13 billion, and also 8 into 7 billion mixture of expert one. And then the list goes on. This is the one which we are running on zero, by the way, at the moment. And then if you are trying to arrange it locally for training, then you need to follow this directory structure. Plus, these are the training instructions which they have provided. So if you just want to train and fine tune the framework, you would need to run this. And this is for 13 billion with 33.6 size, plus this is for the MGM 7 billion one. And then if you want to evaluate it, they have also provisioned some of the CLI commands here which you can run, but you would need to install pedal OCR and few other things. So um, make sure that you have good GPUs. Multiple GPUs always help in this case because of the vision language models. I don't have them, unfortunately, otherwise I would have shown you, but installation is fairly simple. If I go up a little, I'll quickly show you. All you need to do is to git clone this repo, install all of these packages, plus install these, and then also pedal OCR, and you should be good to go after downloading the model, and then you can train it and evaluate it. Let's go back to that Hugging Face error. So I think there is some, maybe it is for some images it is not working, for some images it is working. But anyway, I think all in all, a very good model, and especially in terms of how it is just letting us mining all of these existing VLMs, including Gemma and few others. That's it, guys. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.